In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the all-parties Hurriyet conference leaders have deplored that India is using rape of Kashmiri women as a weapon of war to humiliate the Kashmiris and suppress their struggle for freedom from its illegal occupation. On the 31st anniversary of the tragic Kunanposhpora mass rape incident today, the all-parties Hurriyet conference leaders demanded impartial investigations into all such incidents to punish the culprit Indian troops. The Indian troops had gang-raped around 100 Kashmiri women, from 8-year-old girls to 80-year-old women, during a coordinated search operation in Kunanposhpora villages of Kupwara district on the night of February 23, 1991. APHC Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the Kunanposhpora tragedy is shameful and the culprit Indian troops deserve capital punishment. He said India has institutionalized the rape to intimidate the Kashmiris into submission. Other Hurriyat leaders, including Naeem Ahmed Khan, Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani, Muhammad Yusuf Naqash, Zamruda Habib, Yasmin Raja, Abdul Samad Inqalabi, Khadim Hussain, and Saeed Sibti Shabir Qummi, in their statements, sought investigation by the International War Crimes Tribunal to bring the culprit Indian troops to book, as the Kashmiris have lost faith in the Indian judiciary. IIOJK chapter convener Muhammad Farooq Rahmani, addressing a seminar in Islamabad, said that Indian government and its judiciary should also be held accountable for heinous crimes against humanity perpetrated by its occupation forces in the territory. Meanwhile, a protest rally was taken out in Muzaffarabad, Azad Kashmir today against the Kunanposhpora mass rape tragedy. The rally was organized by the International Forum for Justice and Human Rights Jammu and Kashmir, led by International Forum for Justice Vice Chairman Mushtaqul Islam, Chairman Pasbani Hurriyat Uzair Ahmed Ghazali, Member Kashmir Legislative Assembly Nisar Abbasi, and others. A large number of women, school children holding placards and banners participated in the rally. They demanded the world community to take action against India over its brutalities on the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan's Foreign Office spokesperson, in a statement, said the reprehensible incidents of 2020 Delhi riots and mass rapes of Kashmiri women in Kunanposhpora area of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir in 1991 continue to be a scar on the collective conscience of the international community. As the elections are scheduled across India, a trailer of an upcoming movie, Kashmir Files, to entice Hindu voters through Hindutva bigotry, particularly to justify the abrogation of Article 370, has been recently released. In India, a Hindutva mob attacked the brother of one of the petitioners in the hijab case in the Karnataka High Court, Hazra Shifa, and ruined their property. In another incident, a Dalit man was dragged with a noose around his neck and beaten up by upper caste Hindus in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. On the other hand, BJP leader and member of Indian Parliament Sakshi Maharaj has said that a law should be made to ban hijab across India.